Hello guys, this is Innovative Electronics. Here we have fire sensor. You can see this is PCB including all the components. This is a battery and this is a sensor. This is a sensor for fire detection. So here we have a lighter. You can see. So whenever we'll put some fire to the sensor, the LED will glow, the buzzer will beep, and whenever this will be cooled down, it will stop. You can see after getting cooled down, this will stop. Once again, you can see. So, thank you.